It's Coach Crystal. I am the founder and creator of the Revolve Life Method. And so, my intention today is to show you all about the behind the scenes look of our Ladies Get Fit with R3 closed Facebook group. And it's absolutely free to join. And there is so much good stuff in this group, an amazing community. And I wanted to go ahead and scroll what you will have access to once you request to become a member of our Ladies Get Fit with R3 tribe. So currently we have some women who are doing the 30-day strong challenge, and they are adding their sweaty selfie here for extra accountability. We have an 8-week walk, learn to run for beginners that a few of our members are also following. It's an interval type of training, so if you want to learn how to run, that is the perfect program for you to start. We do weekly polls because we want to know how to serve you, how to get unstuck if you've hit a plateau in your weight loss journey. Maybe lockdown has, contributed to the quote unquote quarantine 15, and we take polls to see how we can best serve you. Our resident vegan chef, Coach Janae, she does polls herself. And every Friday, she does a live cooking lesson where you will learn how to cook the most delicious, healthy foods. And she also adds in the file portion here all the recipes so you can try these delicious recipes at home, from warm smoky black bean dip to pizza, protein buns. And if you go to the search bar and you click here, Foodie Friday, what will show up are her past cooking shows. So here she cooked her fresh salsa and black bean dip. She's got her comfort food here, the healthier version of pizza. So guys, every single Friday she does summertime vegan burgers she has here. And I believe that this Friday she did a poll, and it looks like she's going to be making tomato basil soup. And so you can watch her every Friday for free in this group, an amazing cooking lesson with our vegan chef, Coach Janae. And also we have right now, if you decide to come on in and become a member of our free group, you will have access to our 30-day booty camp challenge. And we have some ladies already doing it. There's their sweaty selfie. And this booty camp challenge, it literally comes with a 10-minute workout that you'll receive online every single day. You can do it off your phone, you can do it off your iPad, your laptop, and that this 10-minute workout is literally targeted to trim and tone your thighs and to sculpt and lift your behind. Who doesn't want a sculpted booty? And you get this for free when you join our Ladies Get Fit with R3 group. And if you go to the search bar and you put the hashtag workout calendars, we also have free for you, downloadable workout calendars right here. Here's an example. We've got our 28-day push-up and plank challenge, and this particular calendar you can download, and here are all our ladies who have done this challenge, and it tells you what workout, what exercise to do every single day to tone your tummy, to flatten out that core area, and to whittle your waist. So we've got one for the core. We've got another one that burns fat fast called our 28-day Tabata challenge. This one right here. And again, it tells you exactly what workouts to do every single day for 30 days. This is a 30-day challenge, and we have a booty one as well. So you can download these free workout calendars by being a member in our group. Plus, we also have pop-up workout dance classes. So if you are a fan of Zumba, if you're a fan of Bollywood, if you love to dance, we will go sporadically. We do pop-up dance classes, workout dance classes in here. The last one we did was The Greatest Showman, and I can tell you right now that I have a Mamma Mia. If you love Dancing Queen, then you need to join as soon as possible because I'm going to do a pop-up Mamma Mia dance workout class soon. And we also have amazing articles. And for example, this one is it's talking about delayed onset muscle soreness. And I also go live here every Friday, Coffee Talk with Coach Crystal. This is a push-up challenge that we're having that Sonia's doing. I go live every Friday and I will talk about how to get you motivated, how to get you unstuck, ways, if you hate exercise, I will teach you how to fall in love with exercising. There are more free workouts here that you can do in the comfort of your own home. And these workouts are, you don't need too much equipment. And we get you, moving and grooving. Here, look, I am using canned goods. Those are canned goods in my hand. And you will have access to these amazing at-home workouts by being a member here in our Ladies Get Fit with our 3 Facebook group. There's articles that you can read in here. Again, our downloadable recipes. There's Coach Janae with her cooking lesson where she goes live every single Friday. I go live every single Friday to give you motivation, inspiration, fit tips, healthful hints. There's so much in here, guys, and it is all for free. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is click on the link. There are 3 questions that we're going to ask you. Very easy questions. Literally, what is your health goal? Like, is it weight loss? Do you want to get toned? And then we ask you, what is your biggest obstacle? And then your email so that we can give you our 30-day booty camp challenge for free right away to get you moving and grooving at home. Okay, so this is everything loaded with amazing recipes, amazing free workouts, workout calendars. Guys, there's no reason why you shouldn't join this. The only thing that you're going to lose by being a member in this group is weight. You have nothing to lose but weight. So what are you waiting for? We are looking forward for you to join our amazing tribe, our amazing fit family, and I look forward to seeing you